Have you ever found yourself puzzled over how to convert data formats in Java? It can be quite a challenge, right? If you're struggling with converting Protobuf's ByteString to an Octal-Escaped string, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to break it down step by step. I totally get it. Converting data types can be frustrating, especially when you're trying to get the exact output you need. You're not alone in this. Many developers face similar hurdles when working with Protobuf. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user recently asked, how do I convert Protobuf's ByteString to an Octal-Escaped sequence string in Java? They provided an example where they received a ByteString value like 376.04367 and wanted to print it as 376.4367 in the console. Sound familiar? Let's tackle this together. So what exactly is happening here? Protobuf's ByteString is a way to handle binary data, but converting it to a readable format like an Octal-Escaped sequence requires a bit of manipulation. We'll walk through the process to ensure you understand each step. And stick around. At the end of this video, I have a bonus tip that will make your data conversions even smoother. To convert a Protobuf ByteString to an Octal-Escaped string in Java, the user should first obtain the ByteString value. This can be done by accessing the relevant field from the Protobuf message. Next, the user needs to convert the ByteString to a byte array. This can be achieved using the 2-byte array method provided by the ByteString class. Now, the user should create a method to convert each byte in the array to its octal representation. This involves iterating through the byte array and formatting each byte. Finally, the user can print the resulting Octal-Escaped string to the console. This will display the desired format. Fun fact, did you know that the octal number system is base 8? It's a bit like counting with your fingers, but only using the first 8 digits. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution comes from a user who suggests using the Akka library's ByteString class. They recommend the decodeString method, which allows you to convert the ByteString to a string using a specified character set. For more details, the user also points to a GitHub issue related to this topic, which may provide additional insights. Here's the bonus tip I promised. Always validate your output by printing it to the console. This way, you can ensure that your conversions are accurate and as expected. And there you have it. You should now be able to convert Protobuf's ByteString to an Octal-Escaped string in Java with ease. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more programming tips and tricks. Happy coding!